So now this is the procedure to open the logic diagram. So click the FSC icon, then open it on line environment. Then after you open line environment, now you go to process status, then process status, then go to the field, means field the sheet number or the logic diagram number. So the page now is page 33. So that's how you open a logic diagram. Okay, today guys, we are going to discuss about this logic. So for this logic, we have AND gate here. Okay, so we have one gate here, so we have 1 1 1. Why we have 1 here? Because this one is 0. This is an inverter. Okay, so here we have 0, we have 1. Okay, so to start this one, we have a switch here. Okay, so when you switch this one, so you can get 1 here. Okay, so we have already 1 here. This is a function block. Function block, it's a flasher, so it will give you output here 1 0 1 0, just like this one. It's already 0 here. After you count, then become 1. Okay, so we have AND gate here, and then we have a timer here. This timer that it will give output to our solenoid valve. That solenoid valve is for the bearing device. Okay, this one bearing device. So it will start on off for a certain time, just like this one. See, you go. So this is the function of this logic diagram. Okay guys, that's for the bearing device.